on the cooler floor, knocking on the door of something more. Clouds roll slow like they've got no care. I find my freedom in the open air. Her breeze blowing through my mind. Take me to a place where I can unwind. Her breeze, oh so kind. Carry me away, leave the world behind. In the rhythm of the waves I see a reflection of eternity. The earth breeze speaks, it sets me free, flowing like the roots of an old oak tree. Her breeze blowing through my mind. Take me to a place where I can unwind. Her breeze, oh so kind. Carry me away, leave the world behind.
Wake up in the morning, sun in my eyes. Wake up in the morning, I feel no surprise. Life is good, like it should. Herb dream, high as can be. Herb dream, flying free.
Sunrise dripping like honey on my face. Rhythm in my chest, it won't slow down. Every step a ripple shaking the ground. Bondi time, we skank and we ride. Bondi time, catch the wave, feel the climb. Moonlight whispers through the coconut trees. Ocean's breath dancing on the evening breeze. The stars, they wink like they know the plan. The beat, it owns me, I ain't no man. Every tick, every tock, unlock the groove, break the lock. Oh, oh. Bondi time, we skank and we rhyme. Bondi time, catch the wave, feel the climb. Echoes roll like thunder, deep and wide. Bassline bouncing, can't run, can't hide. Time is the master, the dub's the key. Unlock the future, set the soul free. Static whispers in the night, a signal lost but burning bright. Through the hum I hear a song. Radio echo calling me across the waves, across the sea. Turn it up, turn it loud. Feel the rhythm shake the ground. Frequencies like ghosts, they dance. A message caught in circumstance, winding through the air unseen. Is it a dream? Is it a sign?
so bright. In the dark it turned day from night. Babylon walls, them trembling high. Lion roar, truth can't hide. Nah lie, this your fire, it now go out. This your fire, scream and shout. This your fire. Let life begin. River flow, them carry we dreams. Sunrise break, it bursts through seams. Roots dig deep in earth, them strong. This your chant, it carry we along. Ashes rise, but we still stand. This your fire, ignite the land from the hills to the ocean wide. This your fire, we guide. This your fire, it now go out. This your fire, it scream and shout. This your fire, from deep within. This your fire, let life begin.
Dub vibrations, they tied me right. Feel the rebel heart with the fire inside. Echoes bounce, the world so wide. Dub vibrations, they tied me right. Feel the rebel heart, feel the fire inside. Echoes bounce, the world so wide. Dub vibrations, they tied me right. Feel the rebel heart, feel the fire inside.
Clouds roll, but the earth still spins. Roots run deep where the story begins. A flame inside flickers small but bright, guides my path through the longest night. Light within, light within, even when the shadows win. Light within, light within, rise again and let life begin. Waves crash hard, but the tide will turn. Ashes fall, yet the fire will burn. Echoes call from the hills I roam. Every road leads my soul back home. The rhythm heals the broken ground, lost and found, lost and found. Light within, light within, even when the shadows win. Light within, light within, rise again and let life begin. Can't stop the storm, but I'll stand tall. The drum beat answers every call. Through the haze, the truth is clear. The light's in me, the light is near.
Rock on the wave of the cool breeze night. Smoke rise high in the pale moonlight. Feel the earth breathe on the bare feet. Life's heartbeat, rock steady sweet. Rock on the rhythm, rock on the soul. Feel it take over, let the music roll. Rock on the fire, burn bright and free. Rock on the love, let it carry me. Sunrise creeping through the mango trees, whispering wind some ancient melodies. Jazz voice echoes in the sea's crash. Time's truths in the waves that splash. Rock on the rhythm, rock on the soul. Feel it take over, let the music grow. Rock on the fire, burn bright and free. Rock on the love, let it carry me. Ocean floor, knocking at your heart like a knocking door. Skank to the beat, let your worries fade. Dub vibrations in the life we've made. Rock on the rhythm, rock on the soul. Feel it take over, let the music roll. Rock on the fire, burn bright and free. Rock on the love, let it carry me. fire start to light the way. Oh, steam by the fire, burn it higher. Steam by the fire, blaze the choir. Steam by the fire, hearts conspire. Steam by the fire, the world require. Ashes fall soft, but the roots remain. Thunder clouds roll, but the sun sustains. The rhythm is life, it runs through the vein. A rebel chant on the echoing plain. Them can't stop the roots, nor block the flame. The fire call out, it no play no game. Hey, steam by the fire, burn it higher. Steam by the fire, blaze the choir. Steam by the fire, hearts conspire. Steam by the fire, the world require. At the night when the stars align, Steamvine climb on the ancient vine. Echoes of love on the dub combine. Feed the fire still burn, feed the light still shine.
Sunrise creeping, hope is sleeping. Daylight reveals what the nighttime conceals. Shadows run and hide from the truth outside. Sun come down, the work is done. Sun come down, let praises rung. Stars ignite the skies, open up your eyes. Moonlight shows a different road. Darkness has its say till the break of day. Sun come down, the work is done. Sun come down, let praises run.
dread, it's out of control. The beat, the bass, it's taking a toll. Deep in the roots where the echoes spread, I dance with the shadows of the living dread. The rhythm plays on through the words unsaid, forever alive in the heart of the dread.
The moon rise slow where the ocean play. Stars wink bright like they got something to say. Feet in the sand, but the tide did there. Moving in, pulling out, taking dreams away. Tide did there. Tide did there. Whispering secrets, carrying sway. Tide did there. Tide did there. Wash it all clean, but the marks still stay. Old man hums with his pipe in hand. Says the sea remembers it don't need no land. Salt on my lips, truth I can't withstand. The tide holds stories written in the sand. It pulls you in, it sets you free. The tide's a rhythm, a melody. Tide did there. Tide did there. Dancing with time, night and day. Tide did there. Tide did there. Takes your worries, but they don't obey. It's a heartbeat in the waves, a secret song that says, listen close, it misbehaves, but always comes back brave. memories play. Walla Walla Ganja lights my day. A flame that dances a lazy sway. It hums my troubles far away. Walla Walla Ganja, oh, it speaks to me. A whisper in the dark sets my mind free. Walla Walla Ganja, yeah, it's all I need. Like roots in the soul, it plants the seed. The stars above, they wink and glow. A rhythm soft like the river's flow. I hear the leaves, they softly croon. Walla Walla Ganja beneath the moon. A puff, a pull, a drift away. Night turns into gold from gray. Walla Walla Ganja, oh, it speaks to me. A whisper in the dark sets my mind free. Walla Walla Ganja, yeah, it's all I need. Like roots in the soul, it plants the seed.
clouds try to hide its glow, still it burns deep within. Let the truth show. Light in the darkness, it always knows.
Within the smoke, I see the moon. It hums a low and lonesome tune. The stars are dancing, they won't rest soon. A spark of fire, a wooden spoon. Within the smoke, we dream, we float. Within the haze, we find the no. It's not the end, it's just a start. The rhythm's deep, it's in our heart. Trees are swaying, telling tales. The wind it whispers, it never fails. A shadow moves, the night prevails. Through all the gray, the truth unveils. Spinning in haze, lost in the smoke but found in the blaze. The beat pulls me closer in and out of the maze. I see the future in the dub sweet fade. Within the smoke, we dream, we flow. Within the haze, we find the no. It's not the end, it's just a start. The rhythm's deep, it's in our heart. And as the smoke begins to fade, the dub still lingers, unafraid. Our roots are strong, our path is laid. Within the smoke, the music stays.
keep on running till the race is won. Jah children moving, Jah children